Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Amna Habib and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in psychology from Women Institute of Learning and Rehabilitation Sciences. So 3 months ago, I was in a desperate need for a clinical psychology internship, and at the same time, I came across the internship program offered by Sir Asad Shad at Aaghaz Psychological Services. I enlisted myself into it, and I think it is one of the best decisions that I've made in the past 3 months. Now, there are two good things about Aaghaz Psychological Services. The first one is that they are also offering online classes alongside physical classes, which makes it very convenient for those students who live at a distance from Abbottabad. And the second best thing is Sir Asad Shad himself, because he's a great teacher, a great person, an excellent psychologist, and an exceptional mentor. Working under his supervision and learning from him has been an absolute pleasure for me because he has helped me grow both personally as well as professionally. So, all of you who are looking forward for an actual psychology internships where they can get their hand across different psychological tests, learn about different therapeutic methods, and learn the use of DSM, Aghaz Psychological Service is the right place for you. Their next internship batch is starting in February. Enlist yourself and become part of this amazing organization. Thank you.